What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we're gonna be making our very own first payload with Metasploit. So roll the intro and let's begin. So guys, first of all you need to open the terminal. That's an obvious thing, and this is the most simplest payload that you can create with Metasploit. This is as simple as okay. So first of all you need to type, well, a super user. Basically I'm on root technically, yeah. So what I'm gonna do is open not open type set tool kit. Basically you're gonna merge t, you're gonna use single t for set and tool, okay, and hit enter. So guys, this is a Metasploit based toolkit, and as you can see we have three options. First is social engineering attacks and penetration testing, and the third party modules. So we're gonna head towards first social engineering attacks, and then there are many more. Spear phishing, website attacks, infectious media generator, create a payload and listener, mass mail attacker. So we're gonna be going on creating a payload and listener, but there are many more: QR code generator, PowerShell attacks, Arduino based attacks. So Arduinos are sort of like Raspberry Pi or Panda. So Arduinos are similar to that. So I'm gonna hit 4, yep, and hit enter. So there are a lot more types of payloads that you can create. So we're gonna be making a basic one. Note that guys, the payload which we are making can detect can be detectable by what am I saying,
Okay.
guys? I'm literally out of my words. Basically, ignore me. So the payload that which we are making can be detectable by any sort of antivirus or Windows Defender too. So as I've told you, it's a basic basic payload. So you need to first switch off or turn off the Windows Defender, any sort of antivirus. So we're gonna be making the first one. My bad. Windows Shell reverse TCP. So I'm gonna hit 1, and then it will gonna ask my listener IP, which is this machine's IP, the machine which I'm hosting on. So I'm gonna copy my IP. So guys, I got the IP and I'm gonna hit enter. So it will gonna ask me for the ports. So I'm gonna basically, like 444, okay, and then hit enter. So it will say generating a payload, please be patient. So it says, do you want to start the payload and listener now? So I'm gonna hit yes. So launching MSF console. Wait, who the hell is calling me at this time? Okay guys, so it's opening the console, the MSF console, and it has opened it. So as you can see, MSF console has opened, and so it's asking me multi slash Android Explorer. So before we go any further, let me show you the payload. So we're gonna go towards file manager, and then root. Yeah, we are on root. So let me find. We will be going to dot set, and there's a payload.exe. So there's a payload.exe, and I'm gonna copy it, and let me plug in my pen drive. As you can see, I've plugged it, and I'm gonna paste it over here. So it's pasted, and then I'm gonna be heading towards my Windows machine, and I will be copying this file over there, and you will be seeing on the top right or top left, anywhere on your screen. Alright guys, so I'm on my Windows machine, and for some reason on my Kali my VirtualBox is not working, so I'm using another machine of mine. So I'm gonna insert my pen drive in this machine. uh, it's okay, just open it. Continue.sky. And before we guys go any further, I need to uh, turn off my Windows Defender. What I'm writing, bro? Windows Defender. Alright, so we wanna add towards Windows security. My bad. And virus and threat protection. So we're gonna be going over here, and we're gonna turn off. Basically, just turn off every single, according to me. Just turn off, so just to prevent some measures. Alright guys, so we have turned off this, and I'm gonna open my pen drive. Open up. So where is it? Yeah, over here. So here's our payload, and I'm gonna copy it over here. So here's a payload, and I'm gonna open it right now. So as you have seen, when I just open it, here the session has came, and when I write here sessions, it will just show me, and then I'm gonna write here sessions. Alright, so I'm gonna write sessions -i 1 and hit enter. So as you can see, I'm on the terminal or the command prompt of my Windows machine, and if I write here, if I can make directories from my own machine to that other machine. So for example, make dir space you have been hacked. So as you can see on my Windows machine, oh my god, actually I placed some spaces, so there have been 3 folders made out, actually 4. So as you can see, there are 4 more folders that I have made from my Kali machine to my Windows machine. So I can do anything from my own terminal, and I've opened the command prompt, so I can do, basically I have a control of my Windows machine. So I can delete also. Wait, I just forgot the command. So as you can see, it's done. I can do anything. I have basically all the control of my Windows machine through my own Kali. So we can do anything what we usually do in command prompt. We can open the system 32-bit file folder, and we can see all the folders that are there basically. I basically don't use the command prompt very well. I can use search commands on Chrome, as you can see. If I go to my web browser and type here cmd commands. The reason why I don't remember the cmd commands because I use Kalish terminal more, and even on my Windows machine I use git bash, the combination of that, so I never use command prompt. So as you can see, there are many commands that you can look up and get some information of that machine. So close tab. So that's it guys, hope you have enjoyed it, and that's it for today's video. And I have started a new series on this channel, and I've uploaded my first video of is it possible to hack Gmail. So that was my first video of that series. I forgot to mention that series over there because I just came that idea just came me after uploading the video. So I will be making a video on that. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.